So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing super fine. So yeah, let's begin with today's video. Today's video will be on subscribe. It's basically subscribe to newsletter, where you send the emails to subscribe, or you even on the websites or applications for the newsletter or some notification from the particular website or product or a service, whatever it may be. So for this, I think I'll go with iPhone 11 size. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and make a wireframe. I'll just put a box here. So this will be our text area as well as button. I think I'll keep it below this. I'll keep it below this. I'll just take it smaller. So I have these two elements here. So my work will be done in this. So for a background, I will go with a blue. Maybe a perfect one. Very okay, not the background. I want a background. I'll just go select this, and maybe I'll just make this white. I'll make this white and give it a rounded corners. So I have my thing here. This one also should become okay. This is okay, done. But I don't know why is this not happening. So I'll just delete this and I'll just grab another one with holding on alt. So I have another button here. So I will have to, yeah, this is what our subscribe to newsletter looks like. So what I'll do is I'll just go here. I'll type subscribe to the newsletter. Okay, there are few typos that I need to look into. NE newsletter. So we have this. I will make this a little bigger. As this is my first time using, not first time, but I've used Figma a bit. But I have to look into it, because this is different UI. This has a different UI than Adobe XD, and even the functionalities are a little bit different. But yeah, it's not a big deal to use a different software. So as just for the change that I'm using this, I'll just drag a text box here. I'll just that went done. I'll just grab a text box here. I think I just need a few plugins. Where do I find for plugins? Yeah, plugins, manage plugins, create your own plugins. Okay, install, development, published. You haven't published. How do I Teams, settings, plugins, create your own plugins. I want to install plugins. How do I do that? Okay, I'll look into that later part. In the next video I'll try to give you. Meanwhile, I'll just copy some lorem ipsum text from the net. Okay, why lorem ipsum? I can actually make it if this is interesting feel free to subscribe to our newsletter, and I'll reduce the font size to 15. Okay, I have to go 15. So yeah, we have this here. I think I'll have to go search for an image. I'll go with maybe a free pick. I'll just go newsletter. So this is also one of the good. Okay, I found this, but this is not usable because it's a premium version. I'm looking for something free. Okay, I think I can use this, but I don't want to. This looks nice. Again. So where do I go? Yeah, but I think I can create this. But I don't want to create anything now, as it will take a lot of time and I don't want to waste your time as well. I'll just go with this free download. I'll get this in EPS. I'll just have to extract it. Newsletter format, I'll go with EPS. I'll open that in Illustrator. So do comment or leave a comment in the comment section whether should I continue these videos or do I do more of a face cam videos. Do let me know in the comment section. Control C, I'll go back to my Control V. Yeah, we have this here. I will go with escape. I'll change the color to maybe little grayish so that we have this things looked but I don't want this as a gray. I'll go with a red or not red but something like this. Also looks good. This looks good actually. I just have to change this black to white, and the background will go with something similar to this color itself. I'll just pick the color and maybe I'll just go a lighter version of this. You see what I'm doing here? I'll keep this one. I'll remove this button. I will go here and make a box, reduce the size. Oh, what I can give here is I'll just make this white. White, and I'll just put, okay, what has happened here? So I'll just go here and I'll select this. And make it smaller. Okay, I'll just go here and type enter email address. And one more thing, do let me know whether should I continue with the same language or do I convert this to Hindi. Do let me know in the comment section. So we will have to go with a little lighter gray, like it's not be visible. Its enemy is there, and I'll select this again, make this smaller, go with the red. I'll just pick this red. Looks nice, and I think I can give a shadow effect. In effects, I'll give a drop shadow. But how do I change? Okay, I have this. This is really nice. Blur, I'll increase the blur so that it doesn't look. Okay, this is a nice UI. I kind of like it. Subscribe. Okay, but why is it not visible? I'll just bring it forward. There it is. I will just okay, Control Z. I'll go with white for this. What is the font I'm using? This font is also nice. Rosario. Rosario is a nice font. So I think I'm done with my design. Do let me know what you feel about this in the comment section, and I've asked you 2 questions in the past. Do answer those also so that I can make a more nice content for you. Do I continue with Figma or do I go back to Adobe XD, or do I switch language to Hindi, or do I stay in English? Do let me know for that so that I can make nice content for you. And thank you for watching. Do like and share this video, subscribe to my channel, comment on my video, and turn on the bell notification. I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye.